the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen. Anyway, we did 7 days of detoxing of our body. And the reason why we did the 7 days of detoxing of our body, if you notice, the 7 day end on the September the 2nd, which is brilliant, because the 7 day is to get our body ready for the cold weather. I don't know who did it, but if you was following Chef Ricardo and did it, you get ready and prepare for the cold weather. Because when this cold weather come in, you know a lot of people gonna catch cold, sneezing, a lot of stuff gonna going on. With this changing, the weather gonna be changing over from hot to cold. So you have to prepare yourself, prepare your body for when the cold weather come. You can say, yes, I did prepare myself. Alright? So if you didn't detox your body, you still can do it. But detoxing the body is to tell your body you're getting prepare yourself ready for the cold weather, guys. So guys, hopefully you just like my ideas and tips about the cold weather and also about the detoxing of our body. It was just brilliant. A lot of people phone me up and tell me thank you. A lot of people leave a lot of comments and a lot of people say, yes, Chef Ricardo, well done. I did it and it works for me. And people said, yes, I lose weight also. So guys, it's just brilliant. Every tips and ideas work. If it doesn't work for you, try something else. If that doesn't work, look and try again. There is something will fit you. So thank you so much, and we love you guys, and stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. We got a lot more ideas and recipe coming out for you. And as I said, this is a tips and idea how we to get our body prepare for the cold weather when we detox our body. Thank you so much. And remember to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. And tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. Stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. And watch more video with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. Bye-bye.